This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, so today we will actually talk about Flow Designer. So process automation. So under process automation, you will be able to find the Flow Designer. So we have covered business rules. We also have covered Flow Designer. We have covered schedule jobs. Sorry, we have covered business rules, schedule jobs, workflow, and we also covered inbound email actions. We covered transfer maps, and so we did not actually cover integrations. So right, using a flow designer, right, we can actually replace business rules, workflows, schedule jobs, and inbound email actions and transform maps. So we can use integration hub for multiple purposes. So integration hub is like, it is actually less code. So here, right, primarily you will be able to see three things. One is flow, subflow, action. Okay, you will just click on flow. You will just click on flow. Okay. So flow name is actually, I'm keeping related record update. So here, right, primary when you are actually creating flow, right? So first and foremost thing that you remember is trigger. Okay. So when you are actually working with Flow Designer, we have to remember first and foremost thing the trigger. Okay. So this is the place, where it will actually evaluate first. Flow Designer will actually evaluate it from here. So here, right, we have actually three type of triggers. One is date type of trigger, a record type of trigger, date type of trigger, and application type of trigger. Okay, there are actually three type of triggers. Okay, there are three type of triggers. So what exactly are those? Record based, date based, application based. Okay, record based, date based, application based. So record based. So whenever a record is created or whenever a record is updated, so either created or updated, anyone. Okay, so then you will select the table. So here, right, I'm actually selecting updated. So every time when you change the short description, so table name you will specify. So here you will actually specify issue table. Okay, for each unique change. So here you will actually keep the condition. So so whenever short description changes, okay. So what should happen is that it has to update the related records. See here, update record. So rather than writing laid record, right? So ServiceNow is actually providing predefined actions. So update record you are selecting. So which record you want to update? So in this issue record, there is a field called incident. So is there any related record here? No. So what we will do is we will open major issue. Incident number is there or not? Yeah, incident record is there. Okay. So here, right? So every time when you update this major incident record, right? Every time when you change the short description here, whatever is there in the incident, whatever the incident is here, right? So this incident record short description should be updated. So here, if I update something like here, so incident short description also should be updated. Incident short description should be updated. So here in this case, here I'm actually selecting the table name as okay. So here update record, right? Here which record do you want to update? So here, right, these are called data pills. From this issue record, what you do is you will actually get the incident. So from this major issue record, you will actually get the incident. Where is the incident here? Yeah, here you go the incident. So you will actually drag and drop here. Okay. So here you are going to update incident table for that particular record. So here what you do is you will actually keep the short description as major issue short description. You will keep the short description as major issue short description. Okay. So once it is done, right, you will actually select end is not required here. This is actually a business rule, right? So same requirement, right? You can actually achieve it through business rule by writing script. But here, right, you did not write any script here. Okay. You did not write any script here. You did use out of box things and then you did modify accordingly. Okay, I have just placed the UCS here. See here, incident chart description would have been changed. Incident chart description is changed as UCS. If you change it to Uday here, incident chart description will be changed as Uday. So this requirement we will be able to achieve it using business rules by writing script. But here in the flow designer, we are able to achieve it using without writing any script. Hope you are clear. Hello.
Yes, Uday. Yes.
Yes, Uday.
So let us say if there are some advanced stuff, some things we cannot actually achieve it without writing script. So to achieve the requirements, we must write script. Okay, to achieve the requirements, we must write the script. So to write the script, we have to create actions. You click on this one, right? You will just click on actions. So let us say you want to count two values. So for calculations and all, there is you cannot actually calculate the things here. See, if you want to calculate two values, if you want to multiply two values, if you want to do some calculations, if you want to do some validation stuff, so those things you cannot actually do in the flow, guys. So in that case, you will have to create action. Yeah. Integer I'm selecting. Mandatory. Okay. So here, right, when you click on this add a new step, you will click on add new step here. So when you click on this one, right, you can select these things. Okay. So here, right, these all are by default available. So you will actually take the script here. So if you take the script here, right? So in the script step, you will actually pull the inputs that you have created here. Whatever the inputs that you have created, right? You will pull those inputs here. Okay. A value. A value you will actually access something like this one. Okay. And now B value. Okay. So here, right, where C is equal to inputs dot inputs dot A value plus outputs dot C value. I'm actually creating a variable equal to, I'm actually assigning C here. Okay. C value. Okay. I'm going to output, so I'm defining output here. Calculated value. So please correct the following calculated value. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So you will just save and publish this one. So here, right, once you save this publish, right, you will just click on test here. So value A I'm actually giving as 8. Value B I'm actually giving as 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So it is giving 8 plus 9 is equal to 89. So which is not correct, right? So here I'll have to modify this one. Okay, outputs dot c value. So here, right, what you do is parse int. Okay. So here you are going to save this one. You are going to publish this one. Okay. So here I'm actually clicking on test here. Okay. So I'm giving 5 here, giving 6 here. See, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So likewise, you will do calculations here, guys. 14. I'm just clicking on run test. See, 5 plus 9, 14. 5 plus 9, 14, guys. Okay. So whatever the action that you have created here, right? What is the action name here? Calculate two values. So that action name, you will actually call it here. See, you will just click on action. So just type calculate two values. So this is the action that we have created. Okay. So when you select the calculate two values, so here you will actually pass the values either dynamically or either you will pass statically or dynamically, whatever the. So it will actually, if you pass 6 or 7, so I'm actually passing the value statically. So it is actually giving the values. So it is actually giving the calculated value. See, it will calculate the values and it will give the calculated value. See, these two are inputs here, right? A, B are inputs. So here, right, in the script, I have actually mentioned something like parseInt inputs dot a value, inputs dot b value. Okay. So outputs dot c value is equal to, so whatever the calculation that I have done, right? I have actually kept it in C here. I have kept it in outputs. C value. So here if you go to the outputs, right? So here you are actually passing C value here. Calculated value, in the calculated value you are passing C value. So the action you have actually called here in the flow designer. Hope this is clear for you. Hello.
Yes, Uday.
So when you click on this one, right, there is a subflow. Okay. So subflow is nothing but, guys, set of reusable actions. Subflow is nothing but set of reusable actions. Okay. See, you have actually created action, right? So if you are using different actions and see, if I should say a set of reusable actions, in the sense you will do the you will do the calculation using actions, reusable actions. See here, right? What example do I have to give you? Using multiple actions, what you do is you will actually create a subflow. So like this action, right? Like this action, you will actually use multiple actions here to achieve the stuff. So set of reusable actions is called subflow, guys. In the subflow also we have inputs, outputs. In the subflow also we have inputs and outputs. So we will actually discuss subflows later, guys. So here, right, in the trigger, we have updated, created or updated. So these are actually for business rules purpose. So schedule jobs. So let us say if you want to do the same activity at regular intervals without writing script, you will actually use Flow Designer. Daily, if you want to send a report, so you will select daily, what time. Weekly, you will select weekly here. So here you will select monthly or repeat once or repeat. So here you will actually select these things for a schedule job purpose. Okay, understand my point?
Yes, Uday.
Yeah. So here, right, we have SLA concept. Do you guys remember that?
Yeah, service level agreement.
Yeah.
Yeah. So whenever the SLA triggers, right, 50% SLA is completed, so 75% SLA is completed, something like that. So if you want to create SLA tasks, okay, if you want to send notifications, so SLA definitions are different, SLA tasks are different, guys. So on the SLA task, 50% SLA is completed, 30% SLA is completed, 70% SLA is completed. So to calculate those stuff, we will actually use SLA task. Okay. Um, so we have actually application. So here, right in the trigger, we have actually application inbound email. So inbound email, we know, right? Inbound email. Do you guys remember?
Yes, right.
Yes, Uday.
For inbound email action purpose as well, we use Flow Designer. Okay. So for catalogs, we will actually trigger the workflows for catalogs, right? In place of workflow, if you want to trigger catalog Flow Designer, in place of workflow, if you want to trigger Flow Designer, you will actually select a service catalog here. So here, right, here you will actually select get catalog variable names, get catalog variable names. So here, right, you will actually specify requested item. Okay. So here you will select the catalog item name. Okay. Software installation request. And so here, right, you will actually get the catalog variables. So whatever the catalog that you select, right, laptop company requested for email, all the variables. So in the workflow, you will actually carry a value from one activity to another activity, right? Using workflow.scratchpad variable. So here, right, you will actually use data pills. To carry a value from one activity to another activity, we will use data pills. Okay. Hope this is clear. Hello, guys.
Yes, Uday.
So we have actually integration hub available here. So integration hub is like just a moment, guys. I'm getting a emergency call. So here in the Flow Designer, right? So integration hub subscription, we should have integration hub subscription. So if we have integration hub subscription, we will be able to integrate with external systems with no scripting. Okay, we will be able to integrate with external systems without any scripting, guys. So we don't have integration hub subscription, right? So integration hub is nothing but integration hub is actually part of Flow Designer. So using Flow Designer only, you will be able to integrate with external systems. So for integration hub, you need a separate setup, guys. Okay. So you need to have permissions regarding the integration hub. Okay. So that is actually paid plugin. So you need to install a plugin in the. You need to install a plugin. It will take a while, guys. So these all are the plugins we have to install for integration hub, guys. So guys, integration hub is actually used for integrations, guys. Okay. So guys, you are able to understand at least basics of Flow Designer. What is trigger, what is action, what is flow. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay guys, we'll see you tomorrow. I'm not actually feeling well. Okay.
Yeah, Uday.
Okay, Uday.
Take rest.
Yeah.